Do you regret doing Big Boss?
I regret.
प्लीज इस राज से पर्दा उठाओ, उस दिन अमाल ने फरहाना को आर की बेटी कहा था या नहीं?
मैं थी वहां पर और मैंने वो क्लिप भी देखी.
फरहाना के साथ सांप बन के कैसा लगा?
वो नागिन ए थी, मैं नागिन बी थी.
You and Basir have unfollowed each other. Is Bihal over now?
I don't know.
Don't you think Tanya Mittal is the ultimate pick-me girl, or is it Neela?
I think because of the way the life story has been taught to be people pleasers, and I see those traits in them.
आपने कहा गौरव बैकफुट पे खेलता है, पर वो अब भी गेम में है, और आप फ्रंट फुट पर खेलकर भी 2 बार एविक्ट क्यों हो गई?
शायद जनता का अभी गौरव खन्ना का असली खेल देखना बाकी है. कुछ भी हो सकता है. I leave it on you to decide. Hi, I'm Nehal Chudasama and we're doing What Fans Want to Know segment with India Forums.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Nehal is going to spread her wings as big as possible, like never before, in everything. I feel like God has made me multi-talented, so let's just use that. I will be doing live performances. I will be open to all sort of acting content, web series, films especially. I am also open to more reality shows, music videos, and I am an MC since ages, so let's continue that too. So everything. And fitness. Understand what your body wants, A. Make sure you work out every day, which is 6 times a week, which I do. Follow proper diet. I usually prefer, because I'm an endomorph, I prefer high protein, low carbs, calorie deficit. So yeah. I never chose Basir over Farhana. I was always with Farhana, even when I had a good friendship with Basir. Even when Basir asked me to not be friends with Farhana, even when I was balancing both of them equally. Like I was giving time to Farhana and Basir both. I don't know what was it shown as, but I never chose Basir over Farhana. They were always an equal for me. Life is unfair, my dear. A lot of unfair moments have happened. अब क्यों दिया इसका जवाब तो मैं नहीं दे सकती, बट जब भी उसको ये मिला, जब भी नॉमिनेशंस भी होते थे फैशन स्टाइल आइकन के, फ्लिपकार्ट स्टाइल आइकन के, पूरे घर को यही लगता था ये तो नेहल ही जीतेगी, ये तो नेहल ही जीतेगी. और जब 2 बार तान्या को भी दिया गया, 1 बार गौरव को दिया गया, तो गौरव खुद शॉक था. गौरव खुद शॉक था कि हैं मुझे कैसे मिल गया. It should have been given to you. So I think that's victory for me. Basir's mom can have a perception about what she wants on the basis of how much or what she watched. I cannot influence her decision or thought process. I think maybe her son would be able to tell her what was right and what was not. But again, what's done is done. And Basir's mom did what she wanted to do. I'm unaffected. Well, you should ask this question to Basir then. I don't know. If you chose Bahana, great. I'm unaffected. I don't know. It's weird because this step was taken by Basir, and that screams emotional immaturity again. Because no matter what differences I would have with someone in my life or Big Boss, I would not choose to unfollow someone or block someone. That's too 15-year-old for me. But that's Basir only for you guys. So he did what he had to. I'm unaffected. That's a very derogatory word to give any woman. I wouldn't use pick me, but I think because of the way the life story has been, a lot of small town girls have been taught to be people pleasers, and I see those traits in them. They're two strong women, but people pleasing is something that has been forced on them, and I wish I could help them, honestly. I did try to take a stand a lot of times. I don't know if it was shown every time, but also it's Salman sir in front of you, and when you want to take a stand, there have been instances where I want to speak so much about any particular situation that I have been questioned, but then Salman sir would be like, Nehal, and I would go quiet because out of respect, I don't want to argue or debate or with someone who I respect so much. So no, Farhana she didn't distance herself from Basir. Farhana, Basir, and I were very good friends. Basir decided to distance himself from Farhana because Farhana decided to tear Neelam's letter and was not in any guilt about doing that, which is why Basir was upset and he distanced himself. The joke is on me. अब मैं evict क्यों हुई? शायद जनता का प्यार नहीं मिला, शायद जनता को मेरे तरह से फ्रंट फुट पे खेलना पसंद नहीं आया, शायद जनता का अभी गौरव खन्ना का असली खेल देखना बाकी है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. आई लीव इट ऑन यू टू डिसाइड. फरहाना के साथ हम दोनों नागिन डांस करते थे. वो नागिन ए थी, मैं नागिन बी थी. मुझे बहुत मजा आता था. तो आई एंजॉयड एवरी मोमेंट विद फरहाना. And no, I did not call her South. If she's willing, I am standing with my arms open as always because I don't discard people, which Farhana does. I don't break friendships or relationships, which other people do. So I'm standing here with open arms. Let's see if she's willing or not. As you can see, I'm supporting her left, right, center. I don't know. I don't know. For me, Amal is like a brother, and I don't know why are they so obsessed with Amal, but they are. Tanya is obsessed with Amal. Malti, I think they just had a fight, so let's see where it goes now. No, not at all. It's actually a mixed emotion. Half of me is very happy, but the other half is like I regret because people see the fame side that you gain, the exposure, the fun side, but what they don't see is what the negative side that it puts you through. So half of me is happy and half of me regrets. एनाबेल की बेटी कहा था, मैं थी वहां पर और मैंने वो क्लिप भी देखी. तब मुझे याद आया कि जनता किस सिचुएशन के बारे में बात कर रही है. उससे पहले मुझे नहीं पता था और मुझे वो सिचुएशन पूरी तरह से सपने में भी याद रहेगी, इतने अच्छे से याद है. अमाल ने एनाबेल की बेटी कहा था. नेहल चुडासमा और बसीर अली का कोई लव एंगल नहीं था. हम वो पहले से दोस्त थे. हम शो में भी दोस्त ही रहे हैं. जो भी आप दर्शकों ने देखा है वो सब दोस्ती में था. एलिगेशंस भी इसलिए लगे थे क्योंकि मैं उसको दोस्त मानती थी और मेरे सीक्रेट रूम में जाने के बाद उन्होंने कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें कही थी जो मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन थी और काफ़ी रूथलेस भी थी. तो मुझे बहुत हर्ट कर गया था और मैं दिल से जीने वाली इंसान हूँ, तो इसलिए फिर मैंने थर्ड नाम बसीर अली का लिया. That's it. Your question has answered. Malti is insecure, and I could feel that being inside the house, which is what would reflect in the way she behaves with me as well. The way she questioned about my dressing sense, not just mine, but also Basir's, for instance, and my friendship also with Farhana, and many other things that just speaks insecurity. And all I can do is sit back, relax on my throne and not give a shit about Malti Chahar. कहीं ना कहीं वो बहुत ज़्यादा उसको अफेक्ट किया और वहीं से शुरुआत हुई. मैंने बसीर के बारे में ये तब कहा था जब मेरी और बसीर की डिफरेंसेस चल रही थी और बसीर वॉज नॉट बीइंग नाइस टू मी. मैंने शो में भी ये कहा है कि बसीर बहुत ही कैलकुलेटिव और मैनिपुलेटिव लगता है और उसकी जो कन्वर्सेशन फरहाना के साथ हुई जब मैं सीक्रेट रूम में थी, उससे पता चल रहा था कि बसीर उसको इन्फ्लुएंस करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. तो मेरा प्रोटेक्टिव साइड एंटीना से खड़ा हो गया था और मैंने उस मोमेंट में फरहाना को इसलिए कहा था. Never confess any sort of feelings on the reality show. If it would have been on the camera. It would have shown left, right, center. I never admitted it. What had happened was that Farhana observed and assumed and went and told Basir that through her observation, through Farhana's observation, she thinks that I have feelings for Basir. In fact, on which Basir came and asked me and he told me that I thought Nehal had guts of telling something like that and I denied. I was constantly denying it. So I never confessed my feelings. But if you can see, after that, Basir and I grew closer as friends, which means maybe Basir had those feelings. I never witnessed that. Farhana is a very happy-go-lucky girl. She flirts with everyone. Her flirt with Basir was also fun and banter. because I'm not saying this. This is what they have said on the show and off show as well. So I think Farhana is very lovely. Like she loves to have fun with everyone, regardless of their gender. So I think she's flirted with Abhishek Bajaj also, with Basir also, with Aman also, because that's who she is. She loves having banter. Yeah.
Thank you so much, dear. Lovely talking to you.
Same.
That's it.